loves, and welcome back. So in this video we are going to be working with Alipearl, and they sent me this wig. This is their 22-inch kinky straight V-part wig, and it has 180% density. This is what it looks like. So if you're looking for something very easygoing, something very beginner friendly, something also natural looking, this is the way to go. Now this is what the wig construction looks like. I'm just going to go ahead to snip this part, and this is what it looks like. This is the V part, and it does come with 5 teeth, right, as you guys can see right here, just at the parting, and it also has an elastic band. This is what the hair looks like. It's giving me natural, and I love it. So if you want something quick, easy, snap on, this is the way to go. So the wig came with 2 headbands, a wig cap, a wig band, eyelashes, edge brush, as well as a wig bag, right, to store your wigs. Okay, so now we are going to proceed to styling this wig and styling my hair as well. So for this hair, because it's a V-part wig, you can definitely style it however you like. You can do like a side part, you can do a middle part. But for this video, and based on my own personal preference, I'm going to be doing a middle part. So I'm just sectioning off and parting off the middle part, and I'm braiding that out so that way this could serve as my leave out and help with blending the wig into my hair. I'm just twisting that out, and I'm also sectioning out a frontal side so that way it blends in the sides as well. So I'm doing it on my left side and on my right side, as you guys can see right now. Now this part is kind of unnecessary because the way they constructed this wig, it's pretty much hard to tell from the sides that it is a wig, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in a minute, but everything just blends seamlessly. So now this is what the wig looks like. It does come with teeth clips like you're seeing right now, and it snaps on pretty easily on your hair, and there are about 5 on the V part itself. So I'm just going to be clipping that onto my hair and securing it as much as I can, trying not to be as harsh because I do want to protect my own hair, but I'm also trying to be gentle as well. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm just clipping it up and snapping it. Clip and snap. So this shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to install, and that's the beautiful thing about this. So if you're a beginner and you want to add length to your natural hair, you want something quick and easy and not so complicated, this is definitely the way to go. So yeah, I'm just going ahead to make sure that everything looks good, and this is what it's giving. This is the volume of this hair, and this is what it looks like, right? So like I said, this is a 22-inch wig. I'm going ahead to use my straightening iron, and I'm just running that through my hair. I'm just using my straightener to just press it down a little bit. Nothing too drastic. I don't want to silk press. I still want to retain the natural texture of this wig, but just press it down a little bit so that way it flows well or better with my natural hair. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just running my straightener through the hair. hard to tell that it's a wig from the side. And I'm loving how it just seamlessly blends in, as you guys can see. And yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead to just style my hair. This is also what it looks like on the other side as well. So I'm gonna just unravel the twist that I did and partition the hair and style it properly. So I'm just running my straightener through my hair as well as through the wig, so that way they both blend seamlessly. And I'm just also using my comb as well to just comb everything through and comb everything in, so that way they both kind of like marry together. So I went ahead to use my edge control just on the edges of my hair, and I'm just kind of running that through my hair just to blend everything in. Yeah, so this is what it is looking like right now. So what I'm gonna head to do is to just frame my face a little bit more. This is optional, but I want to give a bit of dimension, and I want this hair to work for my face and, you know, for me as well. So I'm just like trimming it down just a little bit just in front, just to help frame my face a bit more. So yeah, this is what we are working with, and I am loving it. You can definitely go ahead to style this hair however you want. You can do a center part, you can do a side part, you can do an up down, half up half down situation, but this is how full this hair is. This hair is weightless. It feels like air, and I love it. This is the length again, and this is the full look. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.